This is Emhape Tech with new video. The Sony Xperia XZ Premium is a genuine flagship smartphone. It boasts a market-leading 4K display, the latest high-end power under the hood and Sony's professional photography heritage, including super slow motion capture, round the back. This will likely come as no surprise, but this was not a cheap phone at launch. The Sony Xperia XZ Premium price initially was £649, $799, around $1,100 Australian, which saw it rub shoulders with the Samsung Galaxy S8 and iPhone 7 Plus in terms of cost. The good news is that, since its June 2017 arrival, the Sony Xperia XZ Premium price has now dropped and, if you shop around, can be found for £499, $540, about $700 Australian, SIM-free. Sony's phone may be premium in name, but it's not overly so in nature. When it comes to design, the Sony Xperia XZ Premium leaves something to be desired compared to its flagship rivals. The Gorilla Glass 5 front and rear at least provides some tough protection, but the sides of phone are noticeably plastic, and it's this material which you feel when you hold the phone. Sony Xperia XZ Premium specifications: weight, 195 grams. Dimensions, 156 by 77 by 7.9 millimeters. OS, Android 8. Screen size, 5.46 inches. Resolution, 2160 by 3840. CPU, Snapdragon 835. RAM, 4 GB. Storage, 64 GB. Battery, 3,230 mAh. Rear camera, 19 MP. Front camera, 13 MP. If you're considering getting the Xperia XZ Premium, you may want to hold on. Sony is tipped to launch its successor, the Xperia XZ Premium 2, during MWC 2018 at the end of February, so an even better version could be available to you very soon. If you're a die-hard Sony fan, the Xperia XZ Premium is the phone you've been waiting for. If you fall into this camp, buy it. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.